Hello, students. I have taken over your Google Classroom. I'm an alien from the solar system, and I'm here to tell you about your project for this week. No, I'm just kidding. It's me, your science teacher. I just had this buff over my face. Anyway, I'm going to tell you about your project for this week, and it's the Planet Project, the Alien Hypothesis. It's all laid out on this slide deck, and this is where you're going to do all your work. But basically, you're going to continue your work for NASA from last week, and you're going to pick one planet. Pick one planet, and then you're going to describe what kind of alien life form would live there. Remember, not all life forms, I should say, look like us. There's lots of different kinds of life. Even here on Earth, there's plants, there's bacteria, there's fungi or fungi. How do you say it, right? But lots of different life forms. So maybe that's the kind of form you would find on your planet that you choose. You're just making a guess, a hypothesis based on the best information. So you need information. Like here, the planet. Describe the motion of the planet that you're talking about. And I suppose you should update this with what planet you're researching to. Make sure you include pictures and links. There's a spot for resources right here. And really make this your own because it's your project. And in the next week, we're going to give you a chance to present it. Okay, then move on. More about the planet. What's the structure like? What's the atmosphere? Use these questions to guide you in making a nice slide with all of the information. Okay, what's next? The gravity of the planet. How would that affect a life form? And then this one, there's so much more to explore, so many interesting things. What other questions do you have about your planet or how something that would live there? So create and answer your own questions on this slide. And then finally, the alien hypothesis. What does your alien look like? Make a labeled drawing with the life form, including what adaptations or features on that alien are the result of where it lives and the actual characteristics of that planet. Okay, I think I've told you enough. Reach out to me or Miss Mickman if you have any questions. Just a second, there's somebody who's here to tell you about the rest of this. Make this your very own project, and the more work you do this week, the easier it will be for you next week when you do your presentation.